Hi everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to episode number 4. This is going to be a little bit different than the previous episodes where I brew coffee, and I've also threw out one bonus episode so far. This weekend I went on a road trip around Los Angeles, my hometown, and tried out a couple different coffee shops. So I took my notebook and made some notes of what I found to be the taste in the different coffee shops I checked out. I really liked them, so I'm going to go ahead and give you some feedback. First is Bru Coffee, which is in Los Feliz here in Los Angeles. I got a double espresso. It was about $4 for that double espresso. I'll go ahead and link in probably a picture of the double espresso that I had. I had it straight up, didn't stir it, no milk, no nothing. I found the espresso to be very dark, as it should be when it came out, but I did find that it had very little crema on it. Granted, it was served in a very small, like almost single espresso cup, but obviously it was kind of a double because of the actual amount. I gave the appearance a 4. I thought it was like a good looking cup of espresso. The aroma was very lacking though, so when I held it up to smell it, I didn't get quite the smell that I was looking for from this presentation of espresso that they gave me. Taste was a 3, just a normal good double espresso served in a cup and saucer. Like I mentioned, the crema previously, just kind of on average what I would deem would come with a normal espresso, and an overall rating of 3. So to get more into the flavor wheel notes, I do remember this coffee to be rather bitter. That was throughout the particular, throughout the whole palate, did I find it to be kind of bitter. It did have a very flowery taste on the first couple sips, and a kind of winey taste in the middle and towards the end as it cooled down. We probably spent about 20 minutes at this location. It has a back parking lot, which is pretty rare in Los Angeles, so we pulled in the back parking lot. It's kind of a long, rectangular-shaped building with a lower floor, and it has kind of a loft. Looked like there was a lot of people working, or on their computers, should I say, because it was Saturday morning. But I'm glad that I got to check it out, and if you're in the area, Brew in Los Feliz.